So when I seen this car pull in, I instantly thought, wow. So Range Rover SVRs have, for me, been the infamous performance SUV. They're now, or this specific one, has reached what I would class an affordable price tag. This is an 18 plate, done 41,000 miles-ish. It's a 5-litre V8 supercharged engine, and it's up at 47,990. So that is significantly cheaper than where they've been in the past, and it makes them a very affordable and achievable SUV, not forgetting what it is as a machine. So 18 plate and 41,000 miles, very well maintained, looks unbelievable in person. So Santorini black, black pack, black alloys, and some nice options on it. You'll see up close when you come forward and have a look. It's got the carbon bonnet, but it's body coloured. You've got the air vent just giving it that real aggressive look to it. You've got the fully blacked out front grille. Again, just for me, that is the colour you would want, just ultimate stealth. Coming out the side, you've got 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels, again, finished in gloss black, multi-spokes, so again, looking the part. Even the air vents finished in gloss black, mud flaps black. Sliding panoramic sunroof on this one. They don't all come with that, this one has them, and it also has the fixed side steps. Performance, we've already mentioned, and for me, that would be the reason that you look at something like this. But if you're trying to win over your partner and go, this is why we should get one, it's still a Range Rover Sport. So you've got front and rear heated seats, plenty of space in the back if you've got children. Isofix seats if you need them. You've got that lovely design on the seats, and you'll notice the silhouette of the front driver's and passenger seat there, significantly sportier than what you would get on a traditional Sport. And then we go back to the performance side of it. So this car can do 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. So if you just take that in, that is a ridiculously fast car for a vehicle of this size. And the road presence of these, like, I would have looked at these years ago and thought, never could afford one of them. But now they're just in the price range where people, you'd be comparing them to a very run-of-the-mill SUV. Huge boot space, you've got those monster tailpipes on the back. This one has some modes which we'll put you on when we get to the interior. So you've got a dynamic mode which just heightens everything, makes everything more aggressive, sounds better, nice and loud. You won't be able to appreciate the noise this produces because of where the mic is on this car, but it sounds insane in person. Before we get in, I mean, I've just opened the door earlier when I was having a look, but you've just got that illuminated Range Rover symbol across the door sill. You've got nice sound system, Meridian sound, and then the seat pattern on these. So it's a leather seat which is heated, but then you've got a pattern on it as well. So and the seats, they are a very, very sporty seat, similar to what you see on something like a Recaro or something like that. Just a really nice sporty seat. SVR emblems all over it. You've got nice digital dash and everything which will run through, but then you've got some nice features on it. So heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, things that if you are going to use it as an everyday car will help you to do so. The roof we mentioned, so that is a sliding opening roof, and then the roof lining, that's Alcantara suede. So again, just nice luxury, just plenty of spec and tech. Your dual screen, so you've got digital dash plus a dual screen. Top screen has all your media, Bluetooth, navigation, stuff like that. If you pop it into reverse, because again, they aren't the smallest car in the world, rear view camera to help you park with that, and you've got free front and rear sensors. The modes I mentioned at the rear, so let's pop that into park. You can put it into dynamic mode. You've also got eco and comfort, so if you are going to run it on a bit of a longer journey and you're concerned about MPG, you can do that. But it just sounds unbelievable. Unbelievable car, great sound, adaptive air suspension. This one on a day like today, one of the first warm days we've got of the year, you've got refrigerator under the armrest. So scenario for me, you've finished gym, football, whatever it is, you've got your cold water under there, you're jumping in your SVR that you've paid 47,990 for, which, yes, it isn't a small amount of money, but for what this is, a 5-litre V8 supercharged performance SUV, for me, it's a cracking price. So if you are interested in the look, the drive and the price, contact myself. My name's Paddy, the number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.